Respected sir and my dear friends, under IIW PDPU student chapter presents young professional webinar on magnetic impulse arc welding and microwave welding. Magnetic impulse arc welding represented by Darshit Desai and microwave welding is represented by Dhirya Patel. We are MTech manufacturing students of Pandit Dindayal Petroleum University. It's guided by Dr. Viswesh Patheka sir. Vishwas Badeka sir is the chairman of IIW PDPU chapter and professor head Mechanical Engineering Department, School of Technology, Pandit Dindayal Petroleum University. My name is Darshit Desai. I have completed my BTech from Mechanical from Padul University and currently I am pursuing MTech in PDPU. Today my webinar topic is magnetic impulse arc butt welding. My PPT contains introduction of magnetic impulse arc butt welding, line diagram of magnetic impulse arc butt welding, what types of mechanism involved in magnetic impulse arc butt welding, comparison to other welding process like friction welding, GMAW and flash butt welding, advantage and limitation of magnetic impulse arc butt welding. And industrial applications of magnetic arc butt welding. Why? Why magnetic impulse arc butt welding? In flash butt welding, we are doing an arc between two fairing surfaces. When we are striking an arc between two fairing surfaces, arc contains electrons. The characteristics of electron that will flow at a least resistant path meet at a surface. And when we are doing a pipe welding configuration, arc will stuck between inner diameter ID and OD, means inner diameter and outer diameter surfaces. That's why we are not going to mat whole cross sections or say wall thickness. If the wall thickness is 1 to 3 mm, not an issue. That can easily weld by flash butt welding. But if wall thickness or thickness of pipe is 10 to 12 mm, it's difficult to uniformly melt. If we are giving more time to uniformly melt, that time productivity will loss. And in case of SMAW, we require high skill labor or operator, so they can do 5G configuration. In case of GMAW, we require automation. So that's why new idea is developed. We are know that the arc will deflect at a magnetic field. So we applied external magnetic field and arc is impelled or deflect after some pressure is applied. Introduction of magnetic impulse arc butt welding. It often used in Europe. It is alternative of conventional process like friction, SMAW that will discuss later. This technique is used for tubes, pipes and also used for solid rod for butt configuration joint. This technique is used for ferromagnetic and non-ferromagnetic also can be used because of arc is electromagnetic and it's going to deflect or impelled by magnetic force. In this technique, with the help of arc, heat is generated between two fairing surfaces and apply external magnetic radial magnetic field. So electromagnetic force is generated between gap between two fairing surfaces. Gap between two phase surfaces around 1 to 2 mm. Magnetic field is generated by permanent magnet or electromagnet or solenoid. The velocity of arc is considerable, means around 200 meter per seconds. The electric arc is generated help in lowering the yield strength of material. It's like a friction stir welding. In friction stir welding, we are lowering the yield strength of with the help of rotating tool. And forging is mostly required to produce a joint or necessary to require a joint and form a flash, and after it can be machine off. Some Sometime inner flash can be removed in case of when gas flow inside, means when gas flow inside the pipe, that time the inner flash can be removed, not can be removed. If liquid inside the tube, that time flash can be removed or machine off. This process is called rotating arc weld technique, because in arc will rotate around the fairing surfaces or at the ends. This is a line diagram of magnetic impulse arc weld welding. In stage 1, the power supply and external radial magnetic field is applied. The distance between two workpiece is around 1.2 to 1.4 mm, and first stage is called heating. And after the second stage, the forging pressure is applied on two ends. Why forging or why applied pressure? Because of molten liquid is expelled in form of flash, so chances of atmosphere contamination is less. Because of no shielding is used in magnetic impulse arc weld welding, and flash is formed. What are I explain is shown in figure. In figure shows that when applied radial magnetic field, so arc will move rapidly around the circumference and heating occurs. Then figure 2 shows when applying a forging pressure, the offset or flash is formed around the surfaces. Mechanism or process involved in magnetic impulse arc weld welding. There are 6 mechanisms involved in magnetic impulse arc weld welding. First one is electrical. Electrical, it includes current and voltage. In required around a 6000 ampere current for low carbon steel or outer diameter of 44 mm and thickness of 4 mm. Second one is magnetism. Third one is arc science. It includes arc time, arc speed, arc energy, and metallurgy. Third one is metallurgy. And mechanical, it includes forging pressure. For easy to understand, we have two video. In this video, the clamp is made of electromagnetic material. So when applying current, it behaves like a magnet. I will show second video. After watching two videos, we realized that the process produces a huge noise. This is the major disadvantages of magnetic impulse arc weld welding. Comparison to other welding process. First, friction welding. Magnetic impact arc butt welding, the equipment cost is less expensive or sometimes is similar to the friction welding. It requires less pressure, means less upset pressure, means means less flash is chances of a flash is less and metal loss will be less. Friction welding is used for only symmetric part and magnetic impact arc butt welding used for unsymmetric part also. Second is GMAW. GMAW we require a automation. The cost of automation is high. Third, SMW. In SMW we require highly skilled labor which can able to do a 5G configuration welding. Fourth one is flash butt welding. Flash butt welding is already we are discussing. Advantages of magnetic impact arc butt welding. In this process, components do not rotate, so maintenance cost will be low. No filler wire, no sealing gas is used, so cost of filler and sealing can be eliminated. Process produce very little fumes and spatter. The process requires low offset pressure than friction welding. Process takes short welding time. It takes around 8 to 16 seconds as depending upon material and material thickness. So process takes around 8 to 16 seconds. The productivity increase because the number of component per hour is more. The magnetic arc butt welding process have some disadvantages. First disadvantage is that produce a huge noise, and second is the after welding machining is required or necessary. Application of magnetic impact arc butt welding. It is used for drive shaft, beam shaft, axle casing, solid rod, tubes, piston with the wall thickness of 0.6 to 12 mm can easily welded by magnetic impact arc butt welding. This is an actual photograph of liquid propane tank with the outer diameter of 203 mm and wall thickness of 2.1 mm. It takes around 12.5 seconds. Second photograph is solid rod. Solid rod with outer diameter of 22 mm, which can weld by magnetic impact arc butt welding. It takes 12 seconds. Tubes. Third photo is tubes with outer diameter of 20 to 40 mm. This can be welded by magnetic impact arc butt welding. These are my references that I refer for magnetic impact arc butt welding.